Hello everybody, we've got a plethora of earwax removals for you today. Lots of dry, big plugs. You've got a particularly big one coming up in the second video. There are 4 in this video, guys, so make sure you stay tuned for all of them as well. So you can see this first patient is mine. We've got this very, very kind of dry section, not completely blocking the ear canal, luckily, but you can see we've got to kind of lift it up and bring it out, which is what we've done there. And out that came lovely, sweeter than that.
And that is it.
We're off today then. Bye-bye. We know we've got this very sticky, this is more tidying up, it's cosmetic, it's not really causing any issues as far as the earring's concerned, but it's there, so we'll just quickly whip that bit away. And you can see there's a little bit to the side here. This is what sort of stopped that wax from migrating out. It gets stuck in this area and starts to dry.
Oh, look at that lift off.
I know, yeah, that did quite well.
Lucky you.
I did wonder whether they'd have to peel on that one. I'd be jealous now because that could play well.
Why do mine not work like that?
So the eardrum is looking really healthy. We just got this little bit on the other side, so I said I'd tidy this up for the patient as well. But what I would have recommended for this patient is to use some olive oil on a regular basis moving forward. It just helps to stop that drying nature on this outer portion of the ear canal, which happens to us all as we age. We produce less and less oil in the ear canal. Wax starts to dry, which is why wax issues are more prevalent as we get older, guys. So get into good habits now when you're younger. Put a bit of olive oil in once a month, just a drop or 2 of oil in each ear, and that's going to help to support the ear's natural oil production, and it's going to keep that wax lovely and soft, and that way then you haven't got to clean anything out of your ears. Very thin bit here. I thought this was going to be a simple, nice, easy peel, but as always, when you kind of look in it, you say, "Oh, I'll just whip it out for you."
Yeah.
It never is. But
Just going to be 2 seconds this one.
But eardrum looks lovely. There you go. 1/4 of an inch. So you're up next. And Taylor's got a big wax plug for you coming up next, dudes.
3/4 of a centimetre there, I would say, just under.
Yeah,
ish.
I go along with that. Yeah, it sounds like a plan.
So I think mine's more of a dry one.
Oh,
yeah, look at that. Look at this.
Crumbly.
Yeah, straight away, as soon as I seen this, I thought, here we go. I'm going to attempt suction. I think I actually said to the patient, I said, I'm going to attempt microsuction. I don't think it's going to do much, but I just want to see if I can at least peel it off the ear canal.
Yeah.
So I think it's mostly curettage in this video of mine. So what I'm trying to do here is just see if there's any loose kind of sections to the wax.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
There he is. There's the rose insert there.
If you don't know already, the rosin inserter is one of my favourite tools, or probably probably is my favourite.
It's your go-to curettage tool, isn't it?
Especially with these kind of big dry ones, they've got like little tiny gaps, and you just kind of get it in there, get it out.
Yeah.
So we're just drawing it forward slowly here. Now I don't want to just pull it straight out because I don't want to break it apart, because I can see that the whole of this plug is coming out in one go. I don't want to take it out in little bits because it'll just be a pain.
It's trying to find that anchor point, isn't it? Ooh,
yeah, look at that. Ooh, we managed to get.
Wow, that is a good one.
Ooh, it's like a wasp's nest. That was. Look how clean that is. I wish everyone was like this, to be honest.
Fair play, Taylor Green. Look at that. That's the ones you always wanted. Look at that.
Pretty similar on the other side. Almost difficult to get a clean view in here because we're actually quite close to the entrance of the ear. So again, I'm doing the same thing. You can see it's just starting to kind of peel down the ear canal as I'm trying to bring this forwards. So again, I'm doing the same thing here. I'm trying to get the rosin inserter into the center of that plug, and I'm hoping the same thing is going to happen on this side.
Oh, looking promising, that is, Taylor.
It's coming.
Look
it's
at
coming.
That.
Doing it slowly.
Oh, that's a good one as well. Oh, lovely.
Look at
wow, Taylor
It fell off the rosin inserter as well. It was so dry.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that was perfect.
It's chunky, isn't it? Look at that one. That's the second piece. Look at the size of that.
We got
that goes from 1.5 centimetres to 4 centimetres.
I was going to say, both of those plugs are 2 centimetres each.
Blinking heck.
Bear in mind, the average length of an ear canal is anywhere between 2.7 and about 3 centimetres in length. So
that was chock-a-block in there, wasn't it?
Quite lengthy.
I think I got that beat. I think I got one coming out that might have that one beat on a plug. I think my beat.
There's no competition.
There's not competition at all. But this is back to me now, guys. So you can see we're just taking, this one's quite a deep plug here. They've all been kind of more plugs, and we'll have this quite often in clinic. We'll go through spates of, look at that, spates of plugs to come out, and then we've got spates of like soft wax. You'll tend to find it'll go in kind of cycles, won't it? Or here in Taylor's too.
Yeah.
So we've got this sort of flap of dry skin. We're going to peel this away now. And it's always the same with these. It looks like it's just going to be a tiny edge, and the whole lot comes down the ear canal. Patient's talking a bit at this point, which is why I was kind of doing this inside the ear canal. I don't tend to stop my patient from talking. Yes, it makes it more difficult, but it puts them at ease, so that's absolutely fine. And sometimes they've got a question about what I'm actually doing. It's always nice to answer that while you're doing it. The only time I would say to a patient, look, you just got to be quiet for me now, please, is if I'm taking something off an eardrum. If I'm, because if you've ever had it where you're getting really close to a piece on the eardrum, and then they start talking, and suddenly you're like this, you can't.
Or they'd like do a little scratch or something, or move on the chair like this.
I think the worst one I've had is somebody chewing gum. You can see they're talking to me again on this one, but that constant repetitive jaw movement, and the ear canal is just doing this constantly. The reason for that, guys, if you didn't know, is because your jaw is hinged just below your ear canal, and as your jaw moves, your ear canal flexes. The outflex is surrounded by cartilage. There we go. So that was mine. I'm doing yours. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
1.5 inches.
3.5 centimeters, just over 3.5 centimeters.
So my last video is coming up. We do actually use a Rye hook on this one as well. I'm a bit of a convert to the Rye tools. I've used quite a few of them now.
I've used a couple, to be fair. They are good.
Yeah. So what we've got here, you can see, is a very dry plug. But halfway down the ear canal, there's a little bit of a gap at the top. What I like about the Rye hook is that it tapers as well. So it's almost like if a Rosen inserter and a St. Bart's hook had a baby. This is what it would look like. And it's really effective. I actually quite like the Jobs and Horns as well with the taper and going down to a point. I find that quite helpful. But you can see it's surrounded by skin. It is mega dry.
Oh yeah. I kind of said that about the Rosen insert, that it'd be great if it was like that, like a really small tip.
Yeah.
Like that's perfect, isn't it? That length is kind of perfect.
I think you do well with that. I think I would be tempted. I think if there was one that was just angled just a little bit more, a bit like a Rosen inserter angle, I think that would go down a storm as well. I think that would be Taylor's new favourite tool.
Yeah, definitely.
Quarter of an inch on that one, guys.
I missed that. It was a three quarter, just over half a centimetre.
Yeah, I go along with that one. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching the video today. If you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members. That way, then you get even more videos as well on the channel. If you would like a sneaky peek of what's coming up in episode 1092, stay tuned to the end, and we'll give you a little sneaky peek of what's coming up on the next video as well. So stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Stick around for the sneaky peek. See you soon.
Bye. And my name is Taylor Green. And I almost forgot my own name.
Oh, that is squeaky clean.
That's what you like to see. There's the standard size coming into the rescue.
A bit more power.
Yeah.
And what are we going to be left behind with?
You can see. You can see. I think this is obviously peeling down there.
Wow! You could do like an Inspector Gadget kind of.
That'd be perfect, Alex.
Go gadgets. Earwax removal arm. And if just always
go gadget pinner holder.
That's got a better ring to it.
Pinner
We should go with
pinner puller. Pinner puller.